What's up, guys? We are only 5 days away from a show that's in one of my favorite cities, which is Nashville. It is already Music City time. Old truck back there, she needs a little work. Before we get into all that mess, I want to take a minute to say thanks to everyone that watches my videos, that likes, comments, subscribes on all my stuff. And I want to do a little something extra for you guys. The first 5 people that come up to me at Music City will get one of those ZF plates for free. It's the white plate with the chrome ZF. White plate. I don't know if you can see. White plate with the chrome ZF right there. Totally free. First 5 people. That's pretty much it. There's no other stipulations. Just first 5 people. Might not give it to you right there that second, but say something, I'll find you later and I'll give it to you. On to the video though. We have a lot of crap we got to do this truck. First things first, we got a leaky rear end and old girl. I have been slacking on trying to replace that pinion seal. So we have a rear seal, we have a front one that we're probably not gonna do just yet. Kind of pressed for time, so don't know if I'm gonna do both of them just yet. Anyways, we got all new fluid for the rear end and front end. Truck needs an oil change. It's been a hot minute since I've done an oil change on this thing. And then I got new front and rear brake pads. I just replaced the front not too long ago. However, I didn't have trailer brakes whenever I towed CJ's truck back from Blake Fitzgerald's show last year, so I think I smoked my front pads and I've kind of just been neglecting the truck altogether. So I need new brake pads. And I ordered rear rotors, but they haven't came in yet, so might just have to, maybe I'll wait on the rear brakes. I want to try this new pump that I was just scrolling on Amazon when I was looking for the fluid and I found this guy. I'm sure other people have used it, but the old fluid pump by Slippery Pete. Okay. Yeah, well, yeah, I guess we'll give Slippery Pete a little try with this pump on my truck. And that's pretty much it. Need to detail it, need to do a little bit of undercoating to it. It's like 100 degrees today. So I'm gonna try to get as much stuff done as quick as I can because I am freaking sweating my little basketballs off right now. Actually, I should say like ping pong balls. Let's get to work on this thing, man. 5 days. I'm gonna edit in the truck on the way there, and we're gonna have this video posted by Friday night. So hopefully by Friday night, Saturday morning, you guys are sitting on the couch watching this right before the show. Come find me, get your plate, and let's have a beer together, man. I could use a beer right now. I could use an inhaler right now. I'm out of breath. All right, let's get to work.
What are you doing? Is that gas?
That's oil.
You gonna check my oil?
I said I hold that heavy load and it fried my brakes.
Yeah, I was there.
They're pretty fried, right? Huh. Yeah.
That's supposed to be like that. That's normal.
Wait.
Put them back in. Just put them back in.
These are those new slotted drilled pads.
There you go. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
We'll put them back in there later. For now, we're gonna put new ones on for this trip just in case, because we don't need a high performance mode right now.
Who's Justin?
Oh shit! It's Iran! It's Iran! They're gonna bomb us! off, I want to say these energy drinks are freaking gas, dude. First Form did a great job. No, I'm not getting paid for this. Just wanted to say that these are freaking gas. If you ain't tried it yet, you got to. This and the grape one, 10 out of 10, amazing. Second off, oh, I got a little carried away and started cleaning up the old frame on the truck, and that is looking mint. What's not looking mint, though, on the other hand, where's she at? Well, you can't see it really, but we have, can't really see it, but we got a little bit of slop in our U-joint. So somehow, some way, I got one overnighted, $0 extra dollars. Shout out to freaking Amazon. But we are in, oh, shoot. We are in business. We're in business, baby. Got it just in time for the show. We are roughly 2 days away from leaving. It is currently Wednesday. Let's get back to work. I got to install the U-joint. This part of the frame, this all needs to be cleaned up a little bit more. That's a little, yeah. There's still a lot left to do this truck, so sit back and enjoy the show. Grab yourself a sody pop real quick and hit the old like button, if you would, buddy. Thank you.
What'd you say?
Got Jack's dumbass in the background. Get out of the way! Alright, Justin, so this is the end of the video. If they want to reach you, how should they reach you if they want a video done at Music City?
Are you going to play on the screen or like?
Yeah, we'll do, well, I don't, my fingers aren't long enough. There we go. So do like, well, hold one hand out. Okay. Boom. And boom.
Don't put that, man.
What?
What?
See you guys in Music City. Enjoy this montage done last minute by Dustin because they're actually leaving Thursday, which if you're watching this, it should be Friday or maybe Saturday. And we'll see you there. Goodbye. Tell them bye, Jack.
Bye.
Wow. Okay.
Wait, like, comment, subscribe. Do you have your Venmo or Cash App?
We don't ask for money anymore.
Oh, that's right. You got big with your
No,
box, right?
that actually got us canceled last time and reported to tax invasion. Well, we're just
Is it tax evasion?
just
Keep
well,
it?
all right. See you guys at Music City.
Music City.
I did not mean to do that.
Fast lane when I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat. Simcoe's been asking for me on the road from the west to the east. Way up, I might never come down, cause the coast racking up the flight miles. So high, I might never come down, so what, this is my lifestyle.